We can continue our project with door and window placement. For this, I am going back to the architectural screen. And then we just need to select the room I want to delete into the screen in this way and press the delete key. There is a function I want to show here. I select the AutoCAD file and move it to the left like this. If you don't want to see AutoCAD from the on-off functions, just click once here. AutoCAD will disappear in this way. Okay, delete all of them. And when I press the zoom out key from menu, this is how we can see the room we created in Archon. Now let's continue with the door and window placement. I select the second window type from the window functions on the left side. The icon needs to change to understand that the window I have selected here is active, and then when I right-click on it, I can access the properties related to it. For example, let's have a window of 100 centimeters and distance of 70 centimeters on the left side. For this, we first enter our window width and height. We can enter the right and left differently in this way. Let our height from the ground be 1 centimeter. I don't want a window sill. The marble part below is our horizontal bar. Our vertical bar is 1. Let the thickness of this be 10 centimeters. We can make 2 horizontal bars in this way, and I say OK to that. We can placement in 3 different ways. The first one is free placement. In free placement, when we go to any area and click once, the window will be automatically placed in this way. The second option is the distance from any reference point. Assuming that we are going to build a kitchen here, first of all, I click here and then I select the wall on which I want to place it. It asks me the distance from the starting point. When we enter our distance from here, when we say 70 centimeters in this way, it will settle us here by leaving 70 centimeters of space. Then I go to the window model again. I right-click on it. I want to make a wider window, 3 meters wide, this time with 3 bars. And I want this window to go from this point here to here. About. I want it 150 centimeters later, 150 centimeters from here. Leaving the program to do the automatic placement. Third and last option. We'll place it in the center of the 2 reference points we have set. It can be placed in this way by leaving equal distance from the left and right. If we want to delete it, just click on it once and press delete. We can move it if we wish in this way, and delete it by pressing delete again. In the door function, we have more than one door function in the same way. You can choose which door type you want to work with here. After selecting the door type, when you right-click on it, the properties related to it will open. Again, we can choose our width information, height information, whether it will open inside or outside, right or left. And when we say OK, we can set it to be in the center of 2 walls. This is how we completed our door and window placement.